Welcome back to HealthTech Explorers channel. Today we will talk about Lila Sciences and how its AI-powered autonomous labs are revolutionizing drug discovery. In 2025, Lila Sciences, a biotech startup based in Cambridge, Massachusetts, made headlines with an impressive $235 million funding round, pushing its valuation above $1.2 billion. This significant investment highlights the growing confidence in AI-driven platforms to transform scientific research and drug discovery. Lila Sciences is building what they call scientific superintelligence. It combines large-scale AI models with autonomous robotic labs capable of running experiments independently around the clock. This integration means that AI doesn't just generate hypotheses. It also designs, executes, learns from experiments, and iterates without human intervention. Their AI-powered computational platform scours massive datasets, from research articles and molecular databases to patents, to generate ranked candidate solutions for complex challenges in drug development and sustainable materials. A robotic orchestrator translates AI hypotheses into laboratory instructions, controlling a suite of high-tech lab robots and instruments to perform rapid cycles of experimentation. Experimental results feed back into the AI, helping it learn physical constraints and fine-tune future predictions, effectively creating self-improving AI science factories. Traditional drug discovery is notoriously slow, costly, and inefficient, taking over a decade and billions of dollars to bring a new drug to market. AI and automation promise to compress this timeline drastically by minimizing the guesswork in early-stage research, running hundreds of experiments in parallel without fatigue, and accelerating the identification of promising molecules and drug candidates. While initially focusing on early discovery, Lila's platform also aims to drive advancements in personalized medicine by rapidly modeling biological systems, sustainable materials by discovering new catalysts, polymers, and carbon capture agents, and synthetic biology and gene editing, supported by collaborations with pioneers like CRISPR expert George Church. The funding round was led by Braidwell and Collective Global with participation from premier venture funds, including Flagship Pioneering, ARK Venture Fund, and the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority. Such interest reflects a broader surge in AI-powered biotech startups that blend computational intelligence with laboratory automation. Despite exciting potential, Lila Sciences and similar companies face significant hurdles. Biological systems complexity and noise require continuous model validation and real-world testing. Regulatory approvals and safety validations remain mandatory before AI-identified candidates can become therapies. Balancing automation with meaningful human scientific oversight is essential to ensure robust, ethical research practices. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to HealthTech Explorers, turn on notifications, and stay updated on the latest breakthroughs in AI-powered labs and drug discovery.